shallot egg mushrooms, we need to make first a masala. Add coriander seeds, jeera or cumin seeds, fennel seeds or saunf, black pepper, dalchini stick and 1 elaichi. Dry roast this on a medium flame. Add dry red chillies, dry roast it, and once it is roasted, add a spoon of coconut powder. This dry roasted masalas need to be blended in a mixie into powder. So once the powder is done, we'll use it for curry now. Add oil, slit the boiled eggs and fry them. Once the eggs are fried, add mushrooms whole and also shallots. Once they are fried, remove in a bowl. Add little salt, roasted masala powder, little turmeric. Mix this. In the same fried eggs oil, add green chilli, onions. Let this get brown or golden color. Once the onions are golden brown, add ginger garlic paste. Next, in a bowl of curd, I am going to add red chili powder, little turmeric and a spoon of the dry roasted masala powder, and mix this well into a smooth paste. Once it is turned into a smooth paste, add this to this mixture. Add little water. Add salt as required. A pinch of sugar. Now add this eggs, mushroom and shallots and mix this. Let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add little water. Keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, once the water is evaporated, not completely, but we need more gravy consistency, add a scoop of butter and switch off the flame. Let's serve this. So here the shallot egg mushrooms are ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.